If you are living in Nigeria and you are finding it difficult to create PayPal account, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the method which you can use to create a working PayPal account, a verified working PayPal account. Yes, and this PayPal account, it will be verified and you will be using it to receive money or send out money in anywhere you are in the world. You can be using this PayPal account. This method I'm about to show you, if you are in Nigeria, is going to work for you, and any country you are in the world is also going to work for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because in this video I'm going to show you the method which you can use to open PayPal account without using anything like VPN, because we know that PayPal account is not allowed in Nigeria. If you want to have a working PayPal account, you need to have somebody outside the country or any country which PayPal account is allowed so that the person will help you to create the working PayPal account. But in this video, I will show you the method which you can use in your country, any country you are in the world, and you can also get this working PayPal account. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method and get working PayPal account. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, I teach you how you can grow your business and also how you can make money online with your smartphone. So if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now, so that when next I drop more videos on how you can be growing your business and also how you can be making money online, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method which you follow and create this working PayPal account for yourself in this 2025. Let's get started. Now, to get started, go to the description of this video. The first link you will see, you click on the link, it will bring you to this interface like this website called the TIN. As you can see, it said LLC, TIN, and or both apply online from Nigeria. Access US banking, launch your store, get paid on platforms like Stripe, Amazon, PayPal from anywhere. So as you can see, ITIN. So for you to be able to get this PayPal account, you need ITIN. Let me show you one example before I go on. When you click here, you are going to see their customer care support. When you click on it, I just chat with their customer care support a moment ago. I enter my email address. When you click on it, you are going to chat with their customer care support. Here, as you can see, I say, hello, do you offer PayPal account creation? Hello, can we assist you? And they respond, hello, yes, we can help you open a PayPal account, but you will need a US bank, US company, and an ITIN for that. If you have any further question, need assistance, feel free to ask. So for you to be able to get the PayPal account, you need ITIN, because for your account to be verified, you need SSN. But in case you don't have the SSN, you can use ITIN. This is the reason why some people account got banned after creating account without verifying account, because you cannot use PayPal account without verifying your PayPal account. And for you to be able to verify your PayPal account, you are going to be asked to verify it with your ITIN or SSN. And we all know that you cannot get SSN except you are living in US and you have US visa green card. If you don't have green card, you cannot get SSN, but you can use TIN. So this is where you can get your TIN, and after you get your TIN, they are going to create the PayPal account for you. As you can see, the TIN is going for $348. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to use my couple code and reduce this money with 50% discount using my couple code. If you use my couple code, they are going to remove 50% discount from this money. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. But right now, let me show you more things you need to know about this website. When you scroll down, you can also get your LLC plus EIN. If you want to start your own business, you want to start a business in US, or you want to establish your business to US, get LLC for your business. If you are a business owner or you want to start your e-commerce business, you can get that also here for $298. But we are here purpose to create our PayPal account. So let's read through. As you can see, fill out our sample form on your dashboard. As you can sign on your global, you can read all through this everything. You can also check their YouTube, everything. You can read out everything. Now, before that, as you can see, say over 3,000 people from 152 countries have choose us since 2017. Check other industry leaders below who are our partners. So as you can see, these are the place they are partner with. These are people they are partners with. As you can see, Facebase, Dollar, Business, as you can see, Bookmate, Pioneer, and a lot. They are partner with a lot here. You can see them here. So reason why having an ITIN in essential. PayPal, Stripe, Amazon Seller, TikTok Shop. So you need TIN for your TikTok shop, you need TIN for your PayPal account, you need TIN for your Stripe account, for your Amazon account. As you can see, federal income tax filing, as you can see, opening bank account. So you can also check how people are also be reviewing about this website, how this website have helped them a lot for getting their working PayPal account and also get them their LLC account. Now, when you click on review here, you are going to see how people have been talking about it. You are going to see people review. As you can see, this one is 21 hours ago. The process of obtaining my ITM was incredible smooth thanks to their well-structured platform. The team was highly, so you can check their review on Trustpilot, how people have been talking about this website, how this website has been helping them to get their TIN and also their PayPal account, Amazon account, and also a lot. So right now, after you have checked that, all you just have to do is just to enter your name here. You enter your full name here. For example, this is my name, and after you enter your full name here, the next thing you are going to do is to click on order now. And when you click on order now, it's going to take you to an interface, bring you to an interface like this, where you're going to see born without an SSN. Don't worry, we will secure your ITIN. As you can see, the SSN I was talking about before, this is it. So you need SSN to do this, but if you don't have SSN, you can use ITIN and it's going to work perfectly. So we understand the struggle. Your ITIN is ready to help. So as you can see everything here. So you need $348 here to obtain this. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to short this by using my promo code, and they are going to remove 50% discount for you. So all you just have to do is just to put your email address here, your phone number, your last name, your address, you select your country, your zip code, your state, every information. You fill out all your information. After you fill out all your information, then you can also put your debit card here, which card you are going to be using for transaction. So if you don't have a card, maybe you are from Nigeria and you don't have a card to use for your transaction, you can use any of Nigeria card, is going to work. You can use your Visa card, is going to work. All you just have to do is just to get some money inside. If you don't have any card, you can also use your Bybit card. I have a video in this channel which I teach you how you can get Bybit card, or I also have a videos in this channel which I teach you how you can get online virtual card, which you can use to do any payment online. So those videos will be in the description of this video that will show you how you can also get your virtual card, which you can use to make this payment for yourself. So I will be leaving down the link to those videos in the description of this video, so you go and watch it. Or if you don't want to use your own local card, you can use those card and make this payment. After you fill out all this information, the next thing you are going to do, you come here where you see I have a promo code here. You click on it. When you click on it, you are going to put my promo code here, that is showing right now on your screen. Then when you click on it, you write my promo code Numpe Flavor TV, just the way it's showing right now on your screen. Numpe Flavor TV 50, just the way it's showing right now on your screen. Then you click on apply, and when you click on apply, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, where it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, they are going to reduce 50% discount from 348. Now you'll be paying 298 to get this ITIN number. As you can see, anything you do using my promo code Numpe Flavor TV 50 here, they are going to remove 50% discount, and you are up to pay 298. So make sure you use my promo code Numpe Flavor TV 50. Then after you use my promo code and you fill out all your information, the next thing you are going to do is to click on complete order. And when you click on complete order, your order is going to be complete and they are going to send message for you, which you are going to receive a message in your Gmail account, and they will also chat you and give you your ITIN, and they will open the PayPal account for you, asking you for your information, all your necessary information you need to get your working PayPal account, and they are going to do it for you, and you'll be using it, and the PayPal account will be working, verify, which you can use to send money or receive money in any country you are in the world. So this is the easiest way you can get your working PayPal account, which you can use for any transaction as a businessman, as a freelancer, or as a dropshipper. You can use this and get your working PayPal account. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.